Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today it's easy to make yakitori. So it is easy to eat the barbecue chicken yakitori with its skewer, and can easily make it with a Teflon frying pan at home. So this barbecue chicken yakitori recommends use of the chicken thigh, like this part. So I'm gonna use one portion of the chicken thigh, and this is Japanese long beak, and 3 grams salt. This is salad oil. If you don't have salad oil, you can use olive oil, it's okay. And this one is a decoration. I'm just pick up from my garden. The Japanese people call it barang. It's a good decoration. So this one is a serving dish for yakitori. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make easy to make yakitori. Okay, start cutting. So this is the skin side, like this, making hole. It's easy to soft taste on meat. Cut like this. Like a small portion, almost same uniform. Okay, it's very important making same uniform like this. Okay, and long beak. I recommend cutting style is the same uniforms. Looks nice, right? Okay, put the high power heating up the pan and put in the salad oil like this. Then this part is very important in my cooking style. So it's almost turn off the switch, but like a low temperature, low power. That's point for the making good tasting easy yakitori. That's very important. So I'm just putting the chicken. Yes. So I recommend first time is you have to saute like a skin side, skin. Okay, like this, making low power, low power. And Japanese leek, long leek. Like this. Okay, keep hold like that. So take little time for the saute. One side make some looks yummy burning. If you get one side of the yakitori skin side, don't turn over too much. Just keep it. Just keep it. That's point. Because if you're using like a high power for saute, just cook outside, not inside is not done. So in this style is a low power saute style. It's outside it's like a little crispy, inside it's very juicy and tasty. Keep it like this. Don't turn over too much. Okay. Then in this time, salt on it like this. Okay, so you better careful, too much added salt, too salty, and check this side. So now you just adjust power a little bit more strong, but not maximum power. Still keep it. The chicken skin side. Looks delicious. A little bit like this. Now, just this one is not. Oh, this one is okay. Like that. Okay. Oh, this one is nice. Almost okay. And changing position a little bit. This one is white. You need the bun. Like that. So you better check on big. Oh, looks yummy. Like that. Still low power. So usually yakitori has two different kinds. One of a salt taste, one of a sauce taste. Tastes like teriyaki sauce, Okay, I need more burning, so high power. Like this. It's almost finished. Okay. Now everything okay. Alcohol spray. Clean up a leaf. Cut like this. Like that. Okay, just serving yakitori. Okay, looks so delicious. Let's try to eat. So I'm recommend eat with special seasoning. Yuzu kosho. It's yuzu citrus pepper. It's good for the taste. And this one like this, like that. Okay. いただきます。Yakitori saltiness taste delicious. So juicy inside. Also garlic. So much. So delicious. Good serving with hot sake in winter time. My favorite. Oh, feel like heaven. Well, today's I'm just show you easy way to make yakitori without brochette, without skewer. It's easy to make, so you can make in your home. So yummy. You better try to make. Thank you for watching my channel. See you in my kitchen another time. Thank you very much.